Hello guys, today I will show you how you can cancel a direct debit on Lloyds Bank app. So first thing you need to do is open up your Lloyds Bank app, and from the home screen you have to select your bank account which you have set up to your direct debit on. So you can open up any account from here. I'm going to open my classic account, so you just need to tap on the name of your account and it's going to open up this screen where you can see all of your transaction of your selected bank account. Now from here, you just have to tap on this three dot menu from the top right corner. Then it's going to open up this screen. From here, you just have to click on this regular payment option. Then this will take you this screen where you will be able to see all your standing order and direct debit orders. Now from here, you just have to select your direct debit that you want to cancel. You just need to tap on it. Then it's going to open up the overview of your direct debit. Now there will be option of deleting or removing it. So you just need to tap on it, and once you click on it, this will show you this confirmation. Then, you just need to click on this delete button, and once you do that, your direct debit will be cancelled on your Lloyds Bank app. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.